Today in this video we are going to show you how you can fix iPhone 6 Plus with stuck on Apple logo or endless Apple logo. Sometimes if such happens, the iTunes also doesn't recognize to restore. An entire web full of restore can fix that issues. Somehow that issues looks like software issues, but in the case of hardware, that can't be fixed with software. First you have to find the possible reason for that issues. To fix, first you have to know what the real cause is. If the restore process is incomplete, then you have to fix it by hardware. Then need to restore it again. Don't forget to remove the battery and remove all screws and APC carefully. Let's observe the PCB status from the outer side by removing it from the frame. There is no sign of water damage present and no prior repair sign too. Among all the PCB looks normal. Here we can see the TP for Tristar. Let's check on the test point. Here the pin is the TP for Tristar. Let's check the 4 pin must have continuity from on side. Here you can see both sides shows continuity, means there might be transistor issues. Remove the protection shield carefully. Don't use so much heat to remove this may cause other issues. Remove the epoxy rosin carefully. Small parts may be broken or loose. Remove transistor carefully. Remove the extra solder and clean all pad that must be flat and shiny. Put the Tristar in the correct position and install it. Wait for cooldown for 5 minutes. Like our videos to show your love towards our videos. Feel free to ask if you got any problems. We are an Apple repair expert and will be surely helpful. Stay with us by subscribe. Press bell for the latest videos notification. If you are able to fix your issues with the help of this video, don't forget to drop a comment below and write how you solve your issues too. Now the iPhone is powered on. This phone previously stuck on the Apple logo is now fully functional. The problem was sought out and fixed. Love from our side, the GSM solution. Peace out till the next time.